rapper.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. So in this video I am gonna be showing you the truck that I'm working on right now. This is basically my daily and my project truck. It's a 2001 Silverado. It's a bubble eye. So I got it lowered already. I just didn't record that part before, so I'm gonna show you right now. So this is the truck that I have right now. It used to be white, as y'all can tell. It is a standard cab. He's sitting on a what, 5.6 drop right now. I haven't done that many things to it. Como pueden ver, esa luz es diferente color. I used to have the whole set, but the bracket for the lights broke. One of them fell off. I am gonna be going more lower on the back, so I'm gonna be doing the C-notch soon. And I am gonna be installing some 2-inch drop shackles for the bike. That way it can be a little bit more lower. And then after that, I'm gonna start saving up to do a monster C-notch or the step C-notch. That way we can go more lower on the bike. This is what I'm trying to focus mostly on, to get it more lower, do some performance stuff. For the interior, I haven't done that many things to it. It's just a stock. The only thing I have in there is a double tin. Performance wise, only thing I had done to it is just some bolt-on stuff, which is a cold air intake and exhaust. It's basically all I have done to it, is a cold air intake and exhaust. Most of the things that I have done to it is just the drop kit. Only has a 5.3 from a 2005 Tahoe, which we engine swap it. Since the first engine that it came with, it blew up. It got overheated, so we had to put another engine in it. Yeah, it just needs a lot of body work and a paint job. Hopefully later on we're gonna be doing the interior to make it look better and everything. I am looking for a center console since I don't got one right now. I've been thinking about getting the other one, the one that goes connected to a dash, and hopefully get some new wheels. But this is how it's sitting right now with the stock wheels. I just wanted to be a little bit more lower in the bike. I mean, I like it how it is right now, but I just wanna get it more lower on the bike. I just think that's the only thing it needs right now for the suspension. Alright guys, so that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. So the truck is right there. I might just post some updates later on, or I might just post some videos on what I do to it and everything. The thing I'm gonna tell you is that probably the next thing I'm gonna do to it is just do the C-notch. Hopefully take off the bed and everything, because I know that Dave is going through hard times right now. He's been hitting a lot, and plus it be too bouncy on the bike. So this is gonna be the wrap for today's video, guys. I'll see you on the next one.